the session has yet not been convened, and Congress is now picking up reasons to stall the parliament. I mean, this is a Prerna Sthal where all the Mahapurush will be given proper due what they were waiting for, so that the whole country can visit and just worship them. But this Congress party, out of mere political gains, is raising issue out of nothing.
पार्लियामेंट होने जा रही है और पार्लियामेंट के शुरुआत से पहले ही इस तरह का कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करना, इस तरह से कन्फ्लिक्ट का माहौल खड़ा करने की कोशिश करना, ये इनकी कांग्रेस पार्टी की आदत है। जहां तक सवाल है सरकार का या नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, हमेशा वो समन्वय के माध्यम से, संवाद के माध्यम से, सहमति के माध्यम से संसद की तमाम कार्रवाई को करने के हमेशा पक्ष में रहे हैं।
Now, the Prerna Sthal will be inaugurated at 6:30, and before that, an official press release has also enumerated some of the reasons for the move. The first reason cited is that the statues were located at different places in the complex and were therefore difficult for the visitors to see. The new aim is to install them at one place and more effectively tell their story. This will also be done via new technology, including the use of QR codes for the visitors to look at it and know the story behind each of these statues and the people in the statues. So that's a clarification that has come in on why the Prerna Sthal has been brought in and why it's being inaugurated today. But the opposition claims that there was a prominent spot where these statues were, and this is an attempt to move them away from prominent spots and then take them to an obscure location. That's a issue that has been raised by the opposition. The BJP, though, has also listed out several of the issues previously raised by the opposition leaders as well, including the lions in the statue, saying they are too aggressive looking. So the BJP pointing out that some of the issues that have been raised by the opposition are issues merely for the sake of it and a controversy being created for no reason whatsoever. Let's shift our attention now and speak about the controversy that has been brewing for quite a bit. Before that, let me take in Mr. Udit Raj of the Congress party joining us. Mr. Udit Raj, thank you for joining us. There's a controversy over Prerna Sthal, but a clarification has been issued that this is to ensure all statues are in the same place and people visiting can have a better look at these statues and also know the stories behind it.
See, Gandhiji statue was positioned at such a place where when opposition were not allowed to express its voices, their voices were suppressed. They used to come out and make protest over there. So what happened is that the position is important, place is important. So the government is hell bent upon to belittle or get statesmen, and also to silence the opposition by doing such things. Sometimes they are changing the syllabi.
Okay, but the BJP says that this is just to ensure that there's a better place for these statues and the opposition is trying to create an issue out of nothing.
I don't think, because Gandhiji statue is was placed at a place where it was convenient, and that was a central place. So BJP, according to its whims and fancies, if they are going to put up or instance statues, and that means that, of course, Gandhiji statue will be one of them, and that significance will go, that importance will go.
Okay, all right. So you're saying that this is a ploy by the current dispensation and nothing more. Mr. Udit Raj, thank you for joining us. The BJP has responded to it, though, and said that there is nothing of the sort. This is just to bring aesthetics to the new Parliament complex. Let's shift our attention now and get you